Hello? Okay, mic works. Hi. Oh, hi, Coffee. No worries, no worries. It was lovely, it was nice. Yeah, I think I made a friend. Um, cool. Yes. Uh, I can see the mic thing go up. I hadn't plugged in well. All right. I'm pretty late. I would like to not say as usual, but yeah, it's the summer heat. Blame the summer heat. Um, Yes. Okay. But like, yeah, inside is pretty cold, so I don't know why I'm blaming the summer heat. All right. So I was actually when I did like the morning prayer, my brain was like, okay, what's today's to-do list? And one part of today's to-do list was finishing this creating your own data set part. Because I need it, I think. So I'm going to prioritize this. How hot is it? Good question. Right now, I'm gonna Google it because it's probably not 40, but what if it's 40? Let's see. It's probably like 38 or something. Um, Google. Oh, shut up! It's not 29. Okay, I don't believe that. I mean, okay, fine. It's early, but it will get to 40. Like most recently, like maybe yesterday or the day before yesterday, it was highest point was 43. So yeah. Okay, fine. It's right now it's 29:30 because it's early in the morning. Oh, yes. So this part is probably pretty long. I don't know how long it will take, but as a part of my yeah. So if this takes an hour, then that's all we're gonna study. If this doesn't take an hour, then we can also do some part of this. But yeah, I'll prioritize this for the time being. Um, yep. Okay. What was the last thing we studied here? Streaming. Ah, okay, okay. All right. Good to know. I really like this background noise thing, so I'm gonna play something. The other day I was listening to that. What should we listen to today? It's like somewhere between wind and wave. I like both, but they're very different. So let's see. Wave is comes and goes. And then wind is I like the wind. Pretty loud. Maybe running water or waterfall might be cooling. Oh, Butler, hey, that's cute. Oh, you mean here? Okay, I was like, what? We have AC? I guess. Yeah, okay. Let's try that. Somewhere between rain and wind. It's all just like static, sounds like static, but also if you close your eyes. Aw. Okay. I'm gonna make it not be too loud for you guys, but I can make it pretty loud for me. Yeah, like somewhere around that should be okay. Nice. Let's do some learning. So we're still at the HuggingFace datasets library chapter or unit. So I didn't know it was just limited to that. Yes. This is how many things we can. Yes. Actually, it says more sounds. I've never clicked it. Just saw it. Upgrade. It's cool. Don't feel like it. Waterfall. Huh, it does exist. Stream. I mean, YouTube has a ton of stuff. What do I listen to mostly on YouTube as background sound? Rain on, yeah, car, stuff like that. I like that. What do you guys listen to as background noise if it's not music? Also, there's this song that there's a version called song playing in a car while it's raining outside, a fan edit. It's my favorite thing ever. It's been a while since I've listened to it, but yeah. Yes. So, creating our own data set. Sometimes the data set that you need okay, sometimes the dataset that you need to build an NLP application does not exist. So you'll need to create it yourself. I guess asking software to make for that's funny. Yes. I will take them too much time. Ask them to make it agile. Yes, software development life cycle. I have it tattooed under my eyelids. Also I'm kidding. Yes. I'm just saying, like, I have memorized it. You'll need to create it yourself. In this section, we'll show you how to create a corpus of... Oh, okay. Corpus made of HuggingFace issues, not we'll make a corpus of HuggingFace issues, got it. Which are commonly used to track bugs or features in HuggingFace repositories. Yes. This corpus will be used for various purposes, including exploring how long it takes to close open issues or pull requests, training a multi-label classifier that can tag issues with metadata based on the issue's descriptions, for example, bug, enhancement, question, etc. Creating a semantic search engine to find which issues match a user query. Cool. Here we'll focus on creating the corpus, and in the next section we'll tackle the application part. Got it. To keep things meta, that feels funny. To keep things meta, we'll use the GitHub issues associated with a popular open source project, HuggingFace datasets. Okay, so we're using our own thing, their own thing. Let's take a look at how to get the data and explore the information contained in these issues. Yes, how can we get the data? Are we gonna use wget or something? Getting the data. You can find all the issues in the HuggingFace. This is HuggingFace datasets. And then if we go to the issues, there are 2,000 closed issues and 600 open ones. Yep, okay. I need to drink water. Okay. Okay. So, as shown in the following screenshot, at the time of writing, well, that scared me.
C03CAF3 just redeemed hydrate.
Thank you. I hydrate by coffee. I right now I did not bring water, so we have coffee, which is appropriate. Yeah. Oh, I can turn it off, but it's fun. I like. Thank you, thank you, fam. You know, I it's pretty loud because I want to hear the background noise and for it not to be loud for you guys. That's why it surprises me, and I don't mind it. Thanks. I am now bit more hydrated. And yeah, I think I might be getting like a summer cough, so we'll see. I don't drink a lot of cold water. I don't stand it, but still, sometimes I like cold coffee. It's weird. Like I can drink iced coffee, but not ice water. Is there a difference? Can you tell if there's a difference? Okay. So there are 600 closed issues and 300 open issues, and here 2,000 closed issues. MashaAllah, good job. All right. What do? We say, if you click on one of the issues, you'll find it contains a title. Let's click one of the issues. Manual download couldn't count as downloads. It's an enhancement. Okay. So it has a title, it has a number, it has the user, how much? Full name. Okay. Opened when, how many comments, description, label, assignee, project, milestone, development, participant. All right. Description, set of labels characterized in the issue. An example is shown in the screenshot below. I feel like ice water is often served colder than iced coffee, like too cold. Australian might be a troublemaker. I don't know. I make the iced coffee, like I don't buy it, so I know how many ice cubes are in there. And ice cubes make it cold, especially like if you leave it half an hour, it will be colder. But I guess when drinking water, you're not like sipping it luxuriously. Like when I drink coffee, I'm like, it takes me an hour to drink a tumbler of coffee. So, I don't know. It's a good point. Yeah, I don't know. To download all the issues, we'll use the GitHub REST API. I thought we are using something like tricky, like this URL, but no. Okay, we're using their API. Cool. To poll the issue endpoint, what's there? REST API for issues. List issues assigned to user. List repository issues. That's pretty good. Nice. Tumbler of coffee? I'm not on Tumblr. Ha 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 ha. I will not ignore you. It's not a cup, so what is it called? It's called a tumbler, isn't it? Because a cup is smaller. And a cup gets cold or hot depending on the type of coffee you're drinking, but those don't. The endpoint returns a list of JSON objects, with each object containing a large number of fields that include the title, description, as well as metadata about the status of the issues and so on. Let's see what it contains. We have example response. Ooh, that is too much information. Oh my God, stop it. Ooh. So, a convenient way to download the issues is via the request library, which is this request library for everything and anything? A standard way for making HTTPS request in Python. You can install it by running pip install requests. Let's open the collab. Let's duplicate the collab And let's do this. See, that's what I wanted. I wanted us to use the URL. And now we're using the URL. I'm happy. Okay. Creating our own. Well. Okay. I can do that. I can give you my username and password on GitHub. Am I not logged in? I'm not logged in. So, how was your day? I'm logging into GitHub. This is not GitHub. This is Docs. Okay. GitHub. Sign in. Username and password. Oh, we're good actually. It's already saved. Alright, we're good. We're good. Hi. Email is cool. And then our name is code. Do you take the semicolon? Because if you don't, let me know. Might scare you. Okay, large file. Sorry. Copy to drive. Okay. Thank you. And then while you do that, now we'll need the token. Alright, maybe it supports an API key for GitHub. Actually, yes. Yesterday I was testing something that required GitHub stuff, and I could defer the email part or not. Wait, no. Let me see. It requires a token somewhere. I think, yeah, here. Oh, it ran, but it's still, when you either do something, it requires a token. So yeah, API key. And you need to be updated. And then I'm gonna copy, paste here, and it will no longer be valid somehow. Okay. Yeah, sorry. That I realized that was a mistake. I didn't realize it will show. I can just like do the refresh right now and not show it. I can update it right now. Let's do it. I didn't realize it will show. See, it doesn't always. Now it's updated and we will log in again using the updated token. We're good. Thank you. What meme? I don't remember this meme. That was start, right? Haha. Oh, okay, so it was start, but the person read it? Is it a video? I don't recognize the meme. Thanks for the advice. Advice taken. Token updated. So we have installed the requests library. Once the library is installed, you can make get requests to the issue endpoint by invoking the request.get. So you say request.get and then you have your URL. Not here, here, go. Hold up, wait. Oh, I closed it? No, here it is. So we have the issues. Why are we paging it? Is it too much? Under 2. Oh, it's like an old chat? if you type in your password, it will show up like stars. That I've seen. Like this type of trick I've seen. But, that's what I see. Really, absolutely. And go to Hunter 2. My Hunter 2ing Hunter 2. Huh? Wow. See, you type Hunter 2, it shows as a person. Neat. I didn't know IRC did that. No matter how many times you type Hunter 2, will show up as awesome. Wait, this is the person tricking. And then now they're typing Hunter 2 and the person can see it. Wait, how do you know my password exactly? Oh my god. Aw. That's cute. Yeah. Maybe I've seen it. I remember seeing something about it will show up as stars. I think there was another version about social security number or something. Okay. Let's run this because it says page number per page. Status code responded. Are we looking at the whole thing? No. We're looking at the metadata. URL, repository URL, label URL, everything URL. Title, okay. User. Oh, this is all user information. Is there a password? And then label, and then state, assignee, comment, created ad, updated ad, not closed yet. I see. So the response object contains a lot of information about the request, including HTTP status code. Where a 200 status means the request was successful, you can find the list of HTTP request status codes here. What we are really interested in though is the payload, which can be accessed in various formats like byte, string, or JSON. Since we know our issues are in JSON format, we'll inspect it as follows. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot of information. You can see useful fields like title, body, and number that describe the issues, as well as information about the GitHub user who opened the issue. Click on a few of the URLs. Okay, we can do that. Can I click them? Yes, I can. Attach URL. Whoa! That's pretty. What else can we click? Timeline URL. Ooh. That's cool. Avatar URL. The user's avatar. Yep. Hello. And then issue label URL. Okay. HTML events. Empty. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna cough. Let's mute ourselves. Okay. So, as described in the GitHub documentation, and authenticated requests are limited to 60 requests per hour, although you can increase the per page query parameter to reduce the number of requests you make. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm like, why is the response just one? It doesn't make sense. Because we said each page should contain one Okay, now it makes more sense. You will still hit the rate limit of any repository that has more than few thousand issues. So instead, you should follow their instructions on creating a personal access token so that you can boost the rate limit to 5,000 requests per hour. Once you have your token, you can include it as part of the header. Will it show up as stars? All right. See, yeah, do not share it. I recommend you delete the last cell once you have executed to avoid leaking the information. Even better, store it in an environment file. Loaded automatically. All right, we can run it, and then so it made you authenticate. No, it didn't actually. No, it didn't. Now it tells you didn't have to do it for testing if you stayed under 60 requests. We didn't authenticate, we just gave it our email without any the authentication that we did was for HuggingFace, not GitHub. Really? It only works for Hunter 2? All right, let's see if our GitHub token is Hunter 2. Okay. So, are we using GitHub anywhere? Or is it just, like, if I do not do the token, will I get in trouble? That's my current question. I'm gonna run this and see. Rate limit. Why? What's happening here? Let's create a function that downloads all the issues from the repository. Alright, so we are fetch issues, owner, repo, number of issues. That's a lot of issues. I don't need that much. Let me see. Environmental variables, maybe we can keep it out of the notebook, I presume. Collab supports them. Maybe. Let's see. Like the note saying run it and then delete it, that's also a good way, but not sustainable. Issue path. Where's issue path? It's a directory. Okay. Where's issue path? Oh, there it is. Okay. Make directory. And then we have number of pages. Base. We're putting it. Query. The page and per page. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna update this to be like 1,000 out of, like, there are barely 3. I don't need to run this a bajillion times. So I don't know if what happens to the number of issues. What happens to the rate limit? Where do we use that? Rate limit is not... Is it 5,000? It is. Okay, I'll keep it at 5,000. Oh, whoa. But our number of issues is less than 3, so I don't mind keeping it this way. Yeah. Okay. Takes several minutes. Let's see. Headers is not defined. Where are we calling the headers? And how do I remove it? Is it only you? It's only you? Yes, it's only you. Can I not send it? Will I be in trouble? Guess not. The key icon on the left panel of Colab is for secrets. Oh. Huh. Oh, environment variables. Ooh. All right. If I don't get in trouble, I'll continue. But if I get in trouble, I'll do that. I actually have never. I've seen it. I just didn't even. I wasn't even curious about what it is. I guess the cat is not as curious as she should be. So after running this, when we call the fetch issue, it will download all the issues in batches to avoid exceeding the limit on the number of requests per hour. The result will be stored in a repository here. Cool. Can I see it? Oh, sorry, it's probably pretty big. My bad. It's like you want to put a GitHub API key in, but stop. Yeah. Uh-oh, that downloaded. I didn't want that. Yeah. I can, change the scene and do that later. Did I run this? I did not run this. But we're loading it. It's in our folder. Where's the dataset thing? Chill. Okay. Did we not load datasets? We loaded, but I have to say import, shouldn't I? Why isn't it imported? Weird. From data sets, import, load dataset. Thank you. So this is all the things we have. Do we have 3,000? The math isn't mathing. This is like 2,800. What is the rest? Oh well, it's enough. Yes, we can. Each line is a JSON object that represents an issue. Let's use it to grab. Oh, we did that. Once downloaded, we can load with our newfound skill of loading. Are we just loading everything and calling it this is the training split? How come? How come this is 3,000? I don't get it. I thought we didn't have that many issues. We've created our first data set from scratch, but why there are several thousands when it only showed 1,000? Same question. Because we've downloaded all the pull requests as well. Can I update it? Or, no, okay, it's fine. All the pull requests. GitHub's REST API considers every pull request an issue, but not every issue is a pull request. Can't we filter? For this reason, issues endpoints may return both issues and pull requests in their response. You can identify pull requests by the pull request key. Be aware that the ID of a pull request returned from issues will be an issue ID. How can we tell the difference? Where can we tell the difference? Okay. Since the contents of issues and pull requests are quite different, let's do some minor processing, pre-processing to enable us to distinguish between them. So we're just looking at everything. Sorry, stuff like that is like a public service, not just for you, but for anyone else watching. Of course. to be careful with API keys. Yes. Yes. If leaked, update it. If you can, do not show it to anyone. Thanks for the PSA. Since the contents of issues and pull requests are... Oh, okay. Let's do the pre-processing. And so many OpenAI paid IPs on people ML repos. Ah. I see. Okay. Yeah, I need to cough, sorry. Okay. So, because all the request contains every pull request, not just issues, even though we said from issues, we need to do some pre-processing. Post-processing. Something about processing. Pre-processing, okay. The above snippet from GitHub's documentation tells us that the pull request column can be used to differentiate between issues and pull requests. Let's look at a random sample to see what the difference is. We'll chain the dataset.shuffle and dataset.select to create a random sample, and then zip the HTML URL and pull request columns so we can compare. What do you mean zip? I hope it clears up the cough. Thank you. I know in 2024 it's not likely to be COVID or something. But I'm used to worrying. Yeah, the last few years. Thanks. I don't think it's a seasonal thing as in like a virus, but I think it's a seasonal thing as in people like ice cream and iced tea and everything. As in compression, but combining. Not as in compression. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Combining like array lists. Let's see how it looks. But yeah, people get sick in the summer because we overexpose ourselves to cold things because it's hot, and then we get sick. It's fun. So people get flu. I mean, that's what I think anyways. Isn't that supposed to be the case? Not virus, but because it's cold. That type of sickness. Like inside, it's, let's say 20 degrees, and then you go outside, it's like 35 or 40. And even that difference makes people sick. So, shuffle with, why is the seed 666? And then we are taking 3. And then we are zipping these two together so that, okay, so it is basically making a list. And then we'll look at URL and the pull request. Oh, it was already there. URL, pull request, pools. This is pools. This is issues. This is pools. So it contains, and pull request is none. It contains the word issues. This here, it contains the word pull. And then here. So that's the difference. The URL. We can see each pull request is associated with various URLs, while ordinary, are we getting the same thing? Because it's, no, we're not. Okay. Ordinary issues have a non-entry. We can use this distinction. So that is the distinction. Okay. To create a new is pull request column that checks whether pull request field is none or not. Okay. So, we're using the filter thing. almost, no? Map directly? What's the difference between using filter and map? Oh, sorry. I think we're not creating a new column, are we? I thought we were creating a new column, but we're not. Filter would work same way. If is none, else true. And by default, it's false. No. False, but if it's none, then true. Alright, cool. Hi, Keen. If not wrong, zip function combines multiple lists into a format like a matrix with rows and columns. What the HTML URL and the pull request had, like they are JSON within JSON, you know? Okay. So we are updating the map. We can use this to create a new column. We are creating a new column. How? See, yeah. Calculate the average time it takes. You may find the dataset filter function useful to fill out the pull request. To filter out pull requests and open issues, you can use the dataset.setFormat function to convert. So you can easily manipulate created add and close at timestamps. For bonus points, don't want. Hi. Calculate the average time it takes to close pull requests. Like, I get it, but that's not why I came here. I came here to create a data set, not to do the processing. Why am I being so heartless? Okay. Can we look at our issues data set one more time? Is pull request. So you can just easily add a new column like this. Good to know. I guess preprocessing / eating up is how you turn strap data into data set. Yes. Yes. Especially the creating columns that provide more information. Splitting columns, merging columns, creating new columns based on information. What did we want here? Calculate. No, I'm not gonna do that, but filtering out part, yeah. Yeah. Don't feel like doing it, sorry. A lot of ML people seem to be from the... Yes. I think that I wouldn't even call it a jump, because, like, sue me, but ML is basically overhyped data science. Yeah. I guess maybe data science people have more focus on the data science part, the data part. ML is more models and optimization of algorithms, but they're pretty similar. Data science is also models and algorithms. Although we could proceed to further clean up by dropping or renaming. The dropping and remove columns, we could actually do that. It's generally good practice to keep the data set. Well, I mean, you can have a version that's just the raw data set and have a version that's overly processed. You can do that. At this stage, because we're just creating the data set. Got it. In my mind, we were loading it, but no, we're creating it so that it can easily be used in multiple applications. Got it. Before we push to Hugging Face, let's deal with one thing that's missing from it. The comments associated with each. Is it missing? Issue and pull request. We'll add them next with the REST API. Augmenting the dataset. As shown in the following screenshot, the comments associated with an issue or pull request provide a rich source of information, especially if we are interested in building a search engine to answer queries about the library. We looked at the issues endpoint. Now we're looking at the comments endpoint. That will return all comments associated with an issue number. Also, we'll have to do. Oh, Donna was always that guy that was always not into IT, information technology. What am I, a librarian? I'm not into computers. Hi JSS. Are we saying the ML guy is the one that's not into IT computers? Hello. I thought it was the pink waving hand, not the yellow waving hand, but I'll accept both. I won't be picky. Huh. Pink and yellow. That looks cute, doesn't it? Like it's holding something. Hello. Okay. This is the new version for Hugging Face. A pink hand and a yellow hand. Did we recreate the Hugging Face one? Okay. Now I'm super distracted, but in a good way. There's just one hand waving and it's only on one side. There isn't another hand wave on the other side. I feel like that's the case. Where are the hands? Well, I lost them. Hands. There it is. There's only one wave and it's on that side. And the pink one is on the other side. Hand. Wave. Yay. Okay. Yep. Means, oh, info tech sounds like a librarian to me. Huh. What's happening? Is there a emoji war happening in the chat? I mean, we need computer librarians. Okay. I think the restream chat doesn't do YouTube emotes justice. Because it shows them as text. But I can see them, so it's all good. Okay. Alright, yes. Is that Frankenstein or is it just a cute face? So you have to specify each issue number, meaning you have to create a loop for it. And then update the database accordingly. So, like one of the issues we have here, this is an issue, 4140. I can say, show me comments. Yeah, but I removed the headers part, and I don't think we need it as of this moment, but maybe I'll update it later. Where are the comments? Is this main? Oh. Hi. Is that? Nope. I'm gonna be right back. Oh, no. Be right back. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. It was a cat. The issue. Cool. Yes. Cat came in, and then that would have been loud. I probably heard the meow. Okay. Wait, where's the loop? So this is one comment? This is one comment. And then this is number 2. Comment. And then this is number 3. Alright. Got it. Got it. I feel like when I started saying no, you might have thought I was replying to chat. I was not. It was IRL. Sometimes IRL requires replying. Oh, that's only one comment. We can see that the comment is stored in the body field, so let's write a simple function that returns all comments associated with an issue, picking out the body contents for each. Oh, okay. Yeah, just take this part that was written up here. Issue, URL, and then the response, and then just the issue be the thing. And then we are returning only the body. That's so cute. The glasses are. You know what? Oh no, I'm getting ideas. Wrong button. This is the right button. Can you see what's happening? I might actually not have it, but I'll try. If I have it, I will try. I don't have it, right? I don't have it. This dark glasses thing is available for me to choose, but I didn't buy it. It's super cheap. I just never bought it because it hides my eyes, and I don't want to hide my eyes. Yeah. Okay. Get comments. Let's do 4140, which was our issue. And then we run it. 예, 알겠습니다. Alright. Hi, and thanks. All the comments. Eye tracking as a VTuber is like top tier. You can't hide eye tracking. I can like sorta hide it, but I don't want to. Like, example, this one's pretty dark. See? Now it's sorta hidden, but you can still see my eyes. Sorta. You can still see my eyes. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, why can't I zoom in more? That's funny. There we go. We can zoom in more. Yeah. Go back to the other eyeglass. Eyewear. There we go. Go. There we go. Okay. What's next? Looks good. Let's map it to the whole data base. What's with the number? Are we calling it number? Oh, are we counting number of columns? Comments? No. Oh, number. X dot number. Number of issues. The issue number. Because that's what we need here. And it's just called number in our number. Okay. You go do that. Why are we signing in again one more time? Uploading it to the hub. Alright. I think login, okay. And then it's called issue with comments dataset. Push to hub. So easily? That's it. Push to hub and go. Interesting.
Uploading a dataset to the hub. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can upload your very own dataset to the HuggingFace hub. The first thing you need to do is create a new dataset repository on the hub. So just click on your profile icon and select the new dataset button.
Oh.
Next, we need to assign an owner
Manual?
of the dataset. By default, this will be your hub account, but you can also create datasets under any organization that you belong to. Then we just need to give the dataset a good name and specify whether it is a public or private dataset. Public datasets can be accessed by anyone, while private datasets can only be accessed by you or members of your organization. And with that, we can go ahead and create the dataset. Now that you have an...
Oh, you did? Ah. Deprecated, yeah. Unsafe. Is it one? Just text, that's it? Whoa. Size is actually different. 400. The one that we were streaming was, I mean, we weren't, but you know. Ah. I don't think I looked for it. Like in the, I don't remember if I looked for it. Maybe I looked for it on Google. I forgot. The pile. Still being used by people. Thanks. Do duplicate it from the yeah, it's slightly like maybe half the size of the original one.
empty dataset repository on the hub, the next thing to do is add some actual data to it. You can do this with Git, but the easiest way is by selecting the Upload File button, and then you can just go ahead and upload the files directly from your machine. After you've uploaded your files, you'll see them appear in the repository under the Files and Versions tab. The last step is to create a dataset card. Well-documented datasets are more likely to be useful to others as they provide the context to decide whether the dataset is relevant or whether there are any biases or risks associated with using the dataset. On the HuggingFace Hub, this information is stored in each repository's README file. There are two main steps that you should take. First, you need to create some metadata that will allow your dataset to be easily found by others on the hub. You can create this metadata using the dataset's tag and application, which we'll link to in the video description. Once you have created the metadata, you can fill out the rest of the dataset card, and we provide a template that we'll also link to in the video. And once your dataset is on the hub, you can load it using the trusty load dataset function. Just provide the name of your repository and a data files argument, and you're good to go.
Wait a minute. Data files? Looking at the corresponding paper seems potentially better cleaned up for the mini pile. Whoa, only 3 gigabytes. And this is... Subset. This is not... Like, this is okay to use. Because I think 1 million rows. The other one was 3 million rows, but 400 gigabytes? Ooh, small llama. That's cute. Yeah, I think this should be okay to use because the other one you said there were some issues. What is this error? Oh. This is a string? Does it matter? Return? The issue is in return, not in get. I'm gonna assume mostly just more deduplicated. I believe it still contains book data. Oh, okay, copyright issue. I'm gonna assume that my issue is that I don't have the header part. When I fix that, then I can run it properly. But yeah, I guess we're... Do we need to make it, tagging application? Does it have to be made manually? Now that we have our augmented dataset, it's time to push it to the hub so we can share it with the community. Loading a dataset is very simple, just like models and tokenizers from the HuggingFace transformers. We can use the push to hub method to push a dataset. To do that, we need an authentication token, which can be obtained by logging into HuggingFace with the... We already did that. We're already logged in. You'll create a widget where you can enter username and password. And we already did that, right? My dataset is not ready, so I can't really push to hub. Okay. Can be downloaded. Adding the data set card. Okay. But it can also be added as what is it called? Keyword arguments, something, quargs. Corpus will be created and provides other useful information. Yeah, can be done directly. Oh, that. Creating a dataset card. Well-documented datasets are more likely to be useful to others, including our future selves. Yes, our future selves are not our current selves, as they provide the context to enable users to decide whether the dataset is relevant to their task and to evaluate any potential biases in or risks associated with using the dataset. On the HuggingFace hub, this information is stored in each dataset repository's README file. there are 2 main steps you should take before creating it using this application. GitHub issues with comments. What can it be used for? Not audio, but probably question answering and summarization and text classification, and if you feel like it, probably text generation. Am I overselling it? Not translation, no. I'm also feeling fill mask. Because why not? Am I overselling it? Oh, God, no. Where? You want me to specify it? Code. Something code. They don't exist. Talk like a GitHub user. Yeah. Why not? Language. I'm guessing English? I can't be sure. Yeah. Yeah, basically. What a generative model might do. Why not? I mean, you can do talk like a Redditor, so why can't you do talk like a GitHub person? Is it monolingual? I don't think so. Even if it contains multiple languages, it would be good to have a model rewrite people's issues, requests, or write them for me. Write them for you, yeah, but rewrite to what? I really don't think it's monolingual. Because there are at least Arabic issues. No? But we don't have the language tags, do we? Like, I don't have anything to go to right now to check. But like, wouldn't there be at least a French question here? Non-technical user wants to report a bug and feels overwhelmed. That is a good use case. Look at you selling our data set. You should be our marketing department all by yourself. I'm gonna say English, but I don't think that's the case. Okay. Data origin. Machine generated? But like by people. Expert generated. Let's call them experts. They'll be happy about it. Annotation. Machine generated. Also people. I don't know. No, expert. I'm gonna like a different combination of people and machine, right? I can do that, right? License. Not well versed in license. I just know the MIT one. Let's use MIT. In relation to existing work. Extended. It's not really original. I don't know. Size. Not a lot. Somewhere around here as of now. Maybe later more. I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think usually it's expected to stick to rising issues and languages of the repo maintainers. Let's see. Has issues in Korean. Yeah. Oh, cool. What is this? Cool. Ah. Yeah, I think Russian. Yay, see? Is there a way to 무던지 wait, 자, 하, 스, 트, 림, 드, tutorial JavaScript tutorial? 무던? What's 무던? JavaScript tutorial. Yep. JavaScript tutorial. Modern. Like, what's Mudon? Yeah, modern. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, Farsi. Yeah, it's both. صح ترجمة كلمات مقالة هاي ترجمة شده در يافت. I don't understand what this is supposed to mean. My issue with Farsi is that you're supposed to have like kalimat, if I don't, or I don't know, tarjuma, like it has the same issue that I have with Arabic, which is you're supposed to know that there are like here he dif is what's written, but when you read it you're supposed to read hadaf, I think. So where did the a come from? That's my issue with reading both Farsi and Arabi, because you're supposed to know there are hidden, what are the things called, the things upstairs and downstairs of words, because they're not always written. And if you read like a normal Arabic word that is written in the correct term, like I will show you, because this is something that is an issue for me. Like let's use this word. How can I how do I okay, yeah, found it. Again, this means a lot to me. So hey, zoom. There we go. So normally, inshallah, you can see all of these decorations around it. This is for the E, and then for the, like, you know. But if someone else wrote it, this is how they would write it, without any of the decorations. And you're supposed to know it. Yeah. Was that a good example? See? This helps a novice. The other one doesn't. And I'm not a novice, but still. Harakat? Yeah, sure. Should we use that as an example? Like if I open Google Translate and write the word, even in Google Translate, you're not gonna get hi. Also, hi. I was too deep into this. Like for Arabic, if I bring out the keyboard, ha, ra, ka. Wait, what's happening? Movement, haraka. There we go. if you read it normally, you can just see it حرك and then the at the end. Fine, I'll give you that. There are nothing anywhere. I can only read with the helping thingy. See? But I don't understand what's the meaning. Oh, that's cool that you can read. Why is some part of... Why? Oh, it's a question. Why is some part of it left out? But honestly, Ed, I want to just congratulate you for being able to read Arabic. That's pretty cool. Thumbs up. Even right now, sometimes like my sister shows me something and I try to read it and she'll laugh at me because I make up my own helper thingies. And most of the time, they're wrong. Why is it left out? Just ease of writing. Like, it makes it easier to write without the... Like, only in super official, like maybe Quran, you can see the helper thingies. Nowhere else can you see them. And they're supposed to be there. And like Arabic, the helper thingies, I don't know why I like it. Arabic write them, but Farsi it's not even there, I think. I guess I haven't seen many official Farsi documents, so I've mostly seen none. I don't need Arabic/Farsi, but I think English is pretty bad with expressing expecting the reader to know pronunciation because of rules. Oh yeah, English is horrible. It's horrible. Yeah, very inconsistent with the phonemes without that. Oh, oh my god. Okay. Yeah, true. But the Quran does help because it's always written with all of the helper thingies. Yeah. Cool. I will stop the tangent after I say something. Do you know about Quran.com? It's like the best website that exists. That's that old thing. Huh? What? How? I don't know that. Like, how is that fish? Where is it fish? I'm Googling it. No way. How? Oh, what? Enough. Ah. Okay, that makes sense. What? Men, fair, and nation. Yeah. Yep. Works actually. Oh, you can't see it because of my head. But yeah. It works. I thought it was like an official thing. So it's to point out to English speakers how crazy the language is. Yeah. Like telling like kids, teaching English to kids, and they're like, but why is it like that? So yeah, I've faced it quite a bit. And it's like, you know what? Don't learn the rules. It doesn't make sense. Just like observe it. Observe. See, I can't even words. What are we supposed to do with this tag thing I created? Yeah, I don't think there's a way where HuggingFace tells you what the language of the thing is. Is there? I don't think that has been prioritized anywhere. Unless someone makes a label that has to do with the language. So we can put it in our README, and then it will show up looking pretty. Okay. Creating this data set. Unfortunately, uploading it and sharing it with the community. Yes. Next section, how to create semantic search engine with the HuggingFace dataset that can match questions to the most relevant issues and comments. All right. I will try to sort out the environment thing, and then maybe we can pick up from here tomorrow. Because I think that's it for today. I don't think I'm gonna go and do the CMU one. I need time to do some other stuff. It's a social construct etiquette thing for GitHub. There's like nothing that stops you from writing an issue ticket in a language that the maintainers do not know. Still. Okay. There's no way that, like, it's not like, you know, websites you go and then it says language and you can change the language. That doesn't exist within the README, or unless someone puts it there for their own, like, as a FYI. Okay. It's been, oh wow, an hour and a half. Okay, that's actually pretty good. Because I need this next half an hour. Because yesterday I was working on something and it failed really badly, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it and then come back with a fresh mind. I think right now is the fresh mind. Pretty fresh. Fresh enough. Yeah. I wanna thank all the lovely people that chatted with me today. I think it started with Coffee, and then Keen, and then JSS. And then was it Doppler, or did Doppler come later? Maybe sooner. Can't be sure. And then we had Ed and Silent Mike. Or Michael. Mike or Michael. Hi. That's cute. Thank you. I need luck. Actually, I yesterday had a really high point and a normal low point. The low point being the code didn't work, but the really high point made it up for it. Haha. Everybody is oh wow, there's a mouse in my eye. Okay. No, all of the people are the lovely people. Yes. Wait, is that a room reference? Yes, in the background. Cool. Thank you for having me on in the background. I hope I didn't. Yeah, I hope it was okay. I hope I actually really like having streamers on in the background, and then I get distracted when I want to talk to them. Oh yeah. No worries. Ed, our designated Arabic speaker. Oh, sorry, reader, not speaker. All right. Yes. Everybody be angry at Coffee for not saying hi to everybody. Okay. Thank you. It was very chill. It was really chill. I don't feel like my brain is overheated because like everything that happened I understood. And thank you for stopping by. I do really appreciate it, and I hope that we learn something together, and if we don't, sorry, but I do learn from you guys. Yeah, it's actually probably lukewarm. Wait, room temperature? I think people will be bothered, but I really like room temperature, like water and other stuff, and tea and everything. So, I forgot to name Exarvia, I think. Sorry about that. Missed saying thank you. Yeah. So thank you, and I hope that I am, you know, Because for me, learning, I like it, but I hope I'm not becoming a time waster for you. Yes. Yes. Best temperature for beverages. So see you next time whenever you're available. I'll be here inshallah tomorrow. And it's a Wednesday, isn't it? It is a Wednesday. Cool. Almost half done. Have a lovely rest of your day. Let me know if you need anything. Otherwise, doesn't mean I can do it, but still, let me know if you need anything. I will end the stream starting from 5, 4, 3, 2, bye. 1 and bye. Okay, goodbye.